Guys, welcome back. It's Sunday evening, and what should have been my Sunday dinner, but because I wasn't feeling well, is gonna be Monday's dinner. So it's Sunday night, and I'm seasoning up some chicken. I had a whole chicken that I cut up. It was about 6 pounds, so I saved one of the breast, but everything else is in here cut up and ready to season. Washed in with water and vinegar. So to season, we're starting off here with about 3 cloves of garlic and a pinch of minced ginger. This is going to be stewed chicken minus the browning. Thanks to my daughter Stacy, I learned that I like it much better that way. So I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil on here so the seasonings will stay coated on the chicken. This is dry thyme. Seasoning salt. Garlic powder. Pinch of salt, just a pinch because I have seasoning salt. Black pepper. Smoked paprika. Onion powder. And white pepper. Now here on this plate I have onion, bell pepper, scallion, and one scotch bonnet pepper sliced up with most of the seeds, not all of it, most of the seeds. Now I'm gonna go in here with my hand. Do this without spilling anything. So guys, this is our seasoned chicken for tomorrow's stewed chicken. So I hope you have a restful night, as I'm going to do, and I'll see you back tomorrow. Okay guys, so it's the next day and I am back with my seasoned chicken, and it's time to stew this chicken up, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to brown each piece of these chicken till I get a nice tan golden color on them. So we will do this about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. When they're all brown and nice and golden, I will come back and we will continue from there, okay? But remember, as you're browning your chicken pieces, make sure you're shaking off all the vegetables, including the ginger and the garlic, which is a little bit smaller and harder. But if you look well, you can find them. You get them off of there before you put them in the pan to brown, okay? I'll see you back shortly. And you see, these are the nice golden brown color I am talking about. So my first set is just about done now. I'm going to do the second set, and I will see you back when that is done, okay? So I am done browning my chicken, and here's my pot. I poured off most of the oil because I'm not a fan of too oily So I poured off some of the oil. So we're gonna get ready to stew the chicken. So I'm adding half of the vegetables that I seasoned the chicken up with last night. And then here is my, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of my green seasoning. A tablespoon of tomato paste. About 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And the brown sugar thing is optional. You can just use ketchup, which I will use a little later on. Okay, let's put these back in here. I'm going to add about half a cup of water. I'm going to cook this for about 30 minutes, stirring it constantly. So I will see you back in 30. So welcome back. This is what we have after 30 minutes, almost 1 minute to go. So this is where we are. Look at that nice color. I love that color, right? Chicken is almost already falling apart, some of it. So what I'm going to do next is I have some carrots here. This may be too much. I was going to make some carrot juice and I gave up on that idea for today. So I'm adding some carrots in, and I have a can of butter beans. Let's add this in. Okay. And let's stir it away. Turn this down. Let's stir this up. And the rest of my seasonings, I also cut up an additional small onion in there. That's optional. I just wanted it. So let me get all my seasonings in here back. And I have a cup of chicken broth here. I think there's some on the box. Let's get it all in there. Yay, perfect. So I have 2 cups of chicken broth in there. That's low sodium, of course. I'm going to tip it off with about 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Alright guys, we're going to cook this another 30 minutes and I'll see you back then. Guys, welcome back. Our 30 minutes is up. Here we go. Lord of mercy, look at that, y'all. That looks so good, smell so good. I tasted the gravy, and this is a lot more gravy than I would like. So I am going to let this cook. Some of the pieces is already falling apart, but that's okay. Let it just melt in your mouth. I'm going to cook this another 10 minutes and I'll see you back. Guys, okay, here we're back 10 minutes. Our chicken is ready. Oh my God, look at that divine deliciousness, y'all. Once it sits for a while, the gravy will thicken up even more. That looks so yummy, right? I can't wait to dig in, guys. So that is my Jamaican style brown stew chicken without the browning. So I just call it Jamaican style stew chicken with some carrots and some butter beans. I thank you so much for visiting my channel and watching my video. However, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Hit the notification button so you don't miss a video. Like, comment, and share, and help me to grow this channel. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful life because you deserve it.